Welcome back. In our second video, I'm going to show you how to customize your property and your rooms according to your needs. And this is really easy. So we left off in the calendar view, which is this one here, and I have our first reservation. So what I'm going to do is I click on this reservation and it loads up, and all the prices here are in euros. But I want to have this, for example, in British pound. So what I'm gonna do is I click on welcome right here, and then I'm gonna go on this little pencil here, which is the edit. And you see here it's saying I have a currency, and I can use any description I want as euro or pound or US dollars. And so I'm going to go ahead and add pounds, and I'm going to update this here. And in the calendar view, I can see my reservation, which is now showing me pound. And this is the same across all the functionality in Welcome. So this is a global setting for your property. And so I'm going to go ahead and change that back to euro. And as we are in Germany, right now we have value added tax. So which is included in the room price, and this is 9%, if I'm correct. And I'm also gonna go ahead and add an image here, and I'm gonna choose one of my test images I have laying around. Just going to use that, and while I'm at it, I can also add amenities. Amenities are things you provide the guests with. For example, breakfast, or you have a business package which also includes Wi-Fi and other things, or you have a sauna, things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead, click add amenity, and I'm first gonna add breakfast here. The price per unit is 15 euros per person. It's a good breakfast. And then there is a little question here, is it billed daily? So billed daily, we're gonna hint to you that if this is checked, you pay per guest per night. So if I stay 4 nights with 2 guests, I have 8 breakfasts. So I'm gonna calculate that for you. And there's also an included VAT. I'm only gonna leave that at 7%. I'm also gonna go ahead and put in a sauna, for example, which is gonna cost 25 euros, and this is not billed daily, and it also has a normal tax, as does this one. So I'm gonna click update, and it's gonna put that into the property and also update the image. So if I add a new reservation here, I can now add amenities to it. So if I choose the poolside room for my customer with 2 people, it's gonna hint me that it may be appropriate to use 4 here, but we are not restricting you to that. So you can use 3 or 2 or 1, whatever price you want. So I'm gonna leave that to 4, and you see it calculates the prices automatically for it. But we'll cancel that as we want to go ahead and add some rooms. So in the rooms you see here, this is the overview of all your rooms you have and the prices per person. So I'm going to go ahead, and you see the color here is the same for all 3 rooms, but my room is very individual. So I'm going to go ahead and add an image here. I'm just taking this one, which is nice purple, and I can use a different color for that. So I'm going to use this light purple here. You can also change the number of guests, etc. I'm going to go ahead and update that. So this is our poolside room. It also has an image now and an appropriate color. So if we go back to the calendar, you will see that this color is now reflected in the calendar. This makes it very easy for you to customize your calendar and see on in one view what is important, which room is booked and which is not. without having to consult the labels in front of the things. So that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and I see you in the next video.